in India was very nice because of very nice people like Kalu and George. They were very kind and very caring person with us. They paid attention to the food, to our requirements, and they changed some of the things. Also, the teachers here are very nice. Yash, who taught me how to keep my chest out, and the philosophy teacher that taught us a lot of new information for me about the yoga, because I didn't know before the philosophy of yoga or what yoga is. Also, I had a very nice experience in Hatha with a teacher that he was very kind and taught us the alignments, anatomy. He made the anatomy funny. I hated since I'm a child. So with him was very nice, and Mr. Bones. And yeah, overall was very nice experience for me. I learned a lot. Also, we had a lot of meditation session that helped me to calm down my mind. And yeah, I highly recommend it to come and learn yoga here.